How to stop Roblox crashing. So hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to fix Roblox crashing problem. So without delaying any further, let's get started. So first of all, open your Play Store or App Store. Then here on the source menu, simply search for Roblox. Simply click onto the application. Then here you can see an option named App Support. Simply click onto it. Now here simply click on the email option. Now here wait until you will be redirected to the application's email. Then here simply describe your problem that you are dealing with, and if possible then make sure to provide a screenshot as well. Then simply click on the send button on the top right corner. Then within few hours the team will reach out to you and then send an appropriate fix to your problem. So in this very simple way you could fix your problem. So hope this video was helpful for you. Until the next video, bye bye and take care.